Hey everybody. Hey, if I'm talking to you scoliosis patients that are utilizing a Scoli brace, right? Sometimes we get a bit discouraged because of the brace being uncomfortable right out of the gate. Well, we got to remember it's kind of like braces on your teeth. They're not going to be very comfortable right away, but as your body adapts to it, as you start to see changes in the body and you get used to that, then it becomes way more comfortable, a lot more tolerable and easier to be compliant with it. And that's a huge factor, is actually using it and being compliant. So another example of how that can happen for you. I just want to give you some words of encouragement. This is another patient that we take care of. She's utilizing a Scoli brace. Shoulders are very unlevel, right? And so when she started using her Scoli brace, it was very uncomfortable up under the armpits because of the pressure of the brace. But as you can see on that x-ray behind me, we have to have a bending force here from the brace, being able to apply correction towards the spine from that side, which means it's going to put pressure in the armpit on that left side, especially for her. But it's necessary. And at first, the first few weeks, she didn't know about it, she wasn't sure about it, she didn't like that pressure being there, not very comfortable. But we encourage her to stick with it because we double checked it, which we should always be doing. Make sure that your Scoli brace doc is double checking everything, that it's fit to your anatomy well. And then give it some time to break into it and get used to it. She did. She stuck with it. I'm happy to report that it's no longer uncomfortable. We did a few modifications with some extra padding under the armpit for her, so there's a little less of the hardness to the brace. Got a little more cushion in there, and over time she's been able to utilize it very, very well, and she's getting great results with it now. She's settled into the brace. It's been a couple months. She's already noticing big changes in not just the level of back pain, but she's also noticing good changes in her digestion and her stomach, and also in her ability to breathe well. So it's pretty awesome for her, and it's pretty awesome when we can do things to make the brace a little more comfortable. But it's also really awesome when you guys are strong enough, tough enough, and patient with your body enough to give yourself time to get used to it. Give yourself some grace to break into the brace and be able to handle that easier as time goes on. So stick with it. You guys are awesome. These braces are doing great things and changing lives.